I just planted a peach tree and I want to know exactly what to do to keep it healthy. I've never really gardened. I'm trying my hand at all of it. Thank you, Donald from Lineville, Alabama.
Donald, get a soil test.
Get a soil test. That's the first thing, right?
Yeah, that's the first thing to do. You may already have messed up a little bit, but you might be okay. but if you've got that peach tree in the ground, okay, this is September. This is late summer.
Late summer.
I wonder when you planted. You just planted it. Okay. That's your first mistake. This is really not a good time to plant a peach tree, but you've already got it planted. You've got it planted. Okay. You don't want to fertilize it. Okay. So do not fertilize it right now because but you do want to, depending on. Hopefully you watered it in. Okay. And you probably need to give it a little moisture if we have any dry weather. We not seeing a lot of that right now, but if then I would do nothing at all to it over the winter. Late winter, you're probably going to want to put a little bit of fertilizer out there. I would probably at that time select my scaffolds. I'd probably lower it, pop it at about 20 inches and select 3 or 4 evenly spaced scaffold limbs around it, and then just kind of back off and don't do anything until the middle of the summer, and then I would go in there, and if you're going to have water sprouts and everything that have come in there, I'd probably take some of the water sprouts out, but not do a lot if you've selected those scaffold limbs. I don't know that you're going to have some growth, but you don't want to promote a lot of growth because you don't want tender growth before the hard freezes come in. Right.
And we do have a video about all of this too.
Yeah.
So that video can help you out.
Check the video out.
Yeah.
And then as the tree grows, make sure that it's you follow a spray program with it. You want to control the plum curculio, the insect, and you want to control brown rot. Those are the 2 main things you want to control. You need if you don't control white peach scale, it will kill your tree. If you don't control the peach tree borer, it will kill your tree. Yes. And so just get you a peach spray schedule, look at it, study it, abide by it.
Right, yeah, go to your local extension office. Yeah,
go to your local extension office, and they have some mighty good ones down in Alabama.
Oh yeah, you can vouch for that.
I spent a few years down there, that's right.
Yeah, but he's trying it out. He's doing really garden, so I'm giving him credit for that. But
good luck to you. If you fail, go to Chilton County. There are plenty of good peaches in Chilton County. Guarantee that.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.